Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your CapCut and then click on New Project. Then select the video that has the text that you want to remove. And then click on Add. Okay, so now you will then just have to take a screenshot of this video. Okay, so let's take a screenshot and then crop the photo. Okay, so make sure that you have cropped it accordingly. Then click on save. Now let's open our Play Store and then search for Snap Edit. Okay, then click on it and then install this application. But don't worry because this application is for free, and then open that and then click on the remove and then select the text that you want to remove. Okay, and then click on remove and then click on save. So as you can see, the text has been removed. And then let's go back to our CapCut application. Now click on the overlay option and then click on add overlay and then select the photo that you have saved from the snap edit. Okay, so click on photos and then select the photo. Now resize this photo and then make sure that you have dragged it until the end of the first video. Now from the bottom corner, just click on the mask and then select the circle. Okay, and then adjust this one until you can erase all of the text according to the size. Okay, so I'm going to resize this and then drag this. Okay, and then click on the checked button. Now let's play this one. So as you can see, the text has been removed without blurring the video. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.